everyone, this is Monica from Tycorun Energy channel. We are a global battery swapping solution provider. We provide a complete of solution including lithium battery, motorcycle, swapping cabinet, user app, and back-end management platform. Today I'm gonna show you our swapping cabinet. We have 5 slot, 8 slot, 9 slot, and 12 slot popular swapping cabinet. Here beside me there is a 12 slot cabinet. This cabinet is made of sheet metal material, and the cabinet is equipped with a touch screen. We can check the battery and the cabinet information here. We can see how many batteries are available swapping and how many empty boxes here. And we can check the SOC. The SOC is 100%. It means it's fully charged for swapping. For the cabinet operator, we can go to the back end to check the battery and the cabinet information. Here we can set some cabinet parameters like the cabinet series number and the customer service phone number. Here we can set what percentage you want the battery to be charged for swapping. Here we can see the cabinet software version. Okay, here there is built-in a speaker. When we swapping the cabinet, you scan the QR code. The speaker will have a voice guide you how to operate. Our regular language is English. If you need to customize other language in your market, we can customize any language as your request. Okay, let me show you how a new user can quickly get a fully charged battery from our swapping cabinet. For a new user, we need to register account and fill in your personal information. And you need to select the package for swapping. You can make the payment by times, by month, or kilowatt hours. So I'm finished the register process. So let me click the battery and scan the battery. So I scan the QR code. It will pump out a slot automatically. We remove the charge cable and get out the battery. Because the cabinet is swapping 2 batteries in one time, or motorcycle is with 2 batteries, so the cabinet swapping 2 batteries in one time. So it will pump out 2 batteries in one time. So after we get the 2 batteries, we need to use it in our motorcycle. So after we run out of the battery, we need to replace the battery from our swapping cabinet with a new one. So I need to scan the QR code again.
The door is open. Please insert that.
So we put our dead battery in the cabinet. It also will pump out 2 slots for your return 2 batteries. After we return the batteries, it will open the door automatically. We can get to fully charged battery from the swapping cabinet. The slot of our cabinet is big enough, so we can support 48 voltage, 60 voltage, and 72 voltage battery, and support the most dimensions of battery in the market. Okay, that's all for my today's introduction. If you have interested in this kind of project, welcome to contact us. Thanks for watching.